200 على بعض السلطات.
في كل مكان نحن للقوة عنوان أبطال التايتنز انطلقوا. أبطال التايتنز، أبطال التايتنز انطلقوا.
My tummy's telling me something!
Mine too, bro!
My digestive fluids also wish to relay the messages.
Shh, quiet. I want to hear what they're saying.
What'd they say, Mama?
They're saying, we're hungry for food.
Then let us put the delicious morsels into our internal food sacks.
Oh, yeah! Who's cooking tonight?
Oh, Titans, come and get it!
Oh, that guy.
Are you guys in for a treat tonight? My specialty, boiled potatoes. I got the mushiness just right. Come on, don't be shy.
So boring.
Why do you make the same boiled mush every time?
It's like I always say, when you know what's going in, you know what's coming out.
Oh, and we wish you would stop saying that!
My flavor buds crave the excitement.
Don't worry. All we need is a little fire.
Hot sauce?
That's right. When things get boring, you gotta spice them up. Oh, yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Let me in on that!
Coming at ya!
It's like my tongue was back to life!
Ooh, let me try! Now I see all that was hidden! The truth of life is revealed!
Spicy.
Ah! You're ruining the meal! And your lives!
Come on, bro, get spicy with us!
I inhaled the fumes! Throat closing! I can't breathe! Must drink milk to neutralize the effect! Close one. Almost died. Titans, trust me, you do not want to get into the spice game. It is a never-ending escalation of spice that leaves you spicier and spicier until you don't know what spice is anymore. No, the true spice of life is routine. Look, it's 7:15. You know what that means. Bedtime!
هذه طبخة فاطمة وإيش أنا ما أدري جبن آلو سبانخ سوالف يعني رابط اليوتيوب جديد صدق جديد ما أقدر نقول عشرة على عشرة 8.5 الملح شوية زيادة يعني لو قللتونه يصير أفضل.
أجرب. أيوة. خشنة. يلا روح برا. مع السلامة. 8.5 من 10.
ماذا أريد التجربة؟ بسم الله. ما توقعت تكون حلوة، خصوصا إني ما أحب البصل، بس البطاطس خشن. 9.5 من 10. أهنئ نفسي وأهنئ أبطال تايتنز. وبس، هاي كان الفيديو، أتمنى عجبكم. باي.